Hey guys, wanna know how to generate your normal image into GhibliArt by using ChatGPT? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. But first up, open up GhibliArt.ai. Now once you're there, make sure you are logged in as well. And on the top right corner, simply click on Dashboard. Now once you're there, on the left side, you can see the process. So simply first up, open up and upload your image. And once you've done that, simply write in a prompt. Now, once you've written the prompt, just simply click on Generate Ghibli Image. Make sure you check the I am human captcha. And then your generation progress will begin. It's gonna take a while. And once your generation is done, this is how it should look like. This is the preview. And now your image has been generated just like that. And that's it. You can download it by just simply clicking on this cloud-like download button right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.